Then I'm glad I beat the crap out of you. I'll do you a favor and tell her you ran away, terrified by the devils that would have ended you.
Thought you were full of it when you said you wasted kindness on me. But you are nice, cause when I fight a dude, it's nuts or nothing! Okay, so I had some udon for the first time ever today. I also ate a sausage. Another first for me was being treated like a freaking human being. Someone even paid for my meal. I'm almost afraid I'm gonna wake up from this dream.